Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a special fried rice. It's egg, tomato with rice. This dish is very simple to make. The ingredients is easy to find. The most important, it's super delicious. Let's start. Now peel off the skin of the tomato. This time I bought peel tomato. The skin is super thick. Cut the tomato into very small blocks. Remember, keep the juice. The juice is very important. Prepare spring onion, both the green part, also the white part. Cut both of them into small teeny pieces. Put enough cooking oil till it's very hot. Put in the white part of spring onion. Stir fry eggs. When it's ready, put aside to prepare. Put 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Still add in the white part of the spring onion. Add in tomato. Stir fry the tomato. Add a little bit of water. It depends on how the tomato you use. If it doesn't have enough tomato juice, you need to add a bit more water so that there are enough sauce before you put the rice in. Then add 2 teaspoons of ketchup. It's time to put the leftover rice. Mix well between the tomato and the rice. Stir fry them together. Put back the ready-made egg. Cut into small pieces. Mix everything well. Add in 1½ teaspoon of salt. Then the rice is almost done. Before we serve the rice to the table, add in the green spring onion. Our tomato egg rice is ready now. Let's enjoy it.